Hi students, today you are going to learn about second part in this living lager and elder leaves. In this living longer and elder leaves, already I have explained in last class the clinical thermometer, the stethoscope, microscope. But today you are going to learn about machine that can look inside your body, surgery and anesthesia, antibiotic and vaccination. Should be listen carefully. First one, missions that can look inside your body. Which missions can may look your body parts which are there in your inside the body? Yes, X-ray, scanner, or CAT, or MRI, or ultrasounds, etc. You may know, students. So that's why several new missions have been developed which can look inside your body and produced picture of it. What are the images are there in your body, that all will give. See, X-ray missions can take pictures of the inside of person's body. Scanner produce pictures which show more details than a X-ray photograph. The different type of the scanners available are ultrasound, CAT and MRI. Nowadays are very developed missions came. With the help of these missions, doctors can see images of bones and internal organs and feed out the disease a patient is suffering from, which problems, which diseases his parents has. That parent suffering part you may find through the X-ray or through scanner, through MRI, through micro, okay, etc. You may know, students. Nowadays in the labs several testing missions are there. Through that they may find what is the problem of the patient. Okay, that one we may know. Okay, students should be listen carefully. Okay, Rone Tens discovery, he has invited this X-ray. That one you may find, students. The first experiment, I has find through the some of the radiation, and that he has invited this missions. Why? Because see, unexpectedly if you get accident in your body parts, what will be broken, that one you may not know properly. If damage is there outside, easily can get and treatment and you have to solve that one. But inside the body part, if anything will be happen, how you can get? Yes, through the X-ray. How do X-rays works? This X-rays may work, laser ray will may fall on your body. It may scan from you, then what are the main body parts in that your body is there, which are suffering from that, which are facing body problems, you may get through that. Okay, that's why, students, X-ray is a most one of the important mission which may help to scanning your body parts which were the damaged at the accident. Okay, sometimes unexpectedly you will sleep at bathroom, or when you are running at the time, maybe you will fall down ground, or maybe bike accident or car accident will be happen. So in your body parts, which part will be damaged, which bones were broken, that one we may find through the X-ray, student. See, the rays will fall on your body. then it will may scan. Okay, about this maybe your science teachers may explained very well. Now see a simple, okay, brief information about X-ray, okay, cathode and anode, which are the main importance you may find here. See, if you may stand in one particular place, on you they will keep your uh, uh, body, so and they will start light. Through light will may focusly scan inside your body. Through that your body, okay, parts may appear on the X-ray. So X-ray in USA, you observe here student, especially listen carefully, okay, in your body parts which are there properly or not there improperly. So unexpectedly if may find accident, immediately you have to consult the doctor. At the time what they will give advice is you have to go to lab and take your body X-ray. Through that they will do treatment without getting a scan, okay, a scan of your body, without seeing X-ray they will not start the treatment. Why? Because which part is damaged, for which part which medicines they have to give, okay, how to solve your body problems, so that one you may know. Ionizing radiations may fall on your body, then your body part may appear, which is active is there, which is not active. Through they may test through the labs, they may find your, okay, body problems. Now you are watching now students in labs, which missions are there, which missions are starting X-ray, how your spinal cords is there, how your ankle is there, you may find. Through like this they may do X-ray or scanning. Okay, next you are going to learn here surgery and anesthesias. Sometimes to treat a defective organ in the body, it is necessary to cut open the body and operate on the organ. See, if any some problem is there inside your body, okay, they will cut your body and they can do operation. This is known as a surgery. Okay, through surgery it is possible to repair the organ and cure the disease. In some cases it is also possible to replace the organ with a healthy one. So if you will take surgery, we have to take some times rest, then it will be cure. Okay, sometimes students, operations or surgeries will be fail, so that's why maybe they will lose their life also. So whenever we have body problems, we have to consult doctors, then we have to get good treatment. Otherwise, okay, in coming future you may face lot of problems. So surgery was painful earlier. Now doctor make the patients unconscious before operating, so that they do not feel the pain. Doctors give the patients anesthesia to make them unconscious. See, anesthesia they are giving, that's why at operation time, patient is not getting pain. But previously development was not there. At the time it is very difficult to getting surgery, isn't it or not? Yes, now it is very easy. If you have problem they give, okay, now this anesthesia, then you will lose your conscience. At the time they will success your operation. So chloroform was the first drug to be used an anesthetic. The first operation use you may observe chloroform as an anesthetic was performed on 18th November 1847. Chloroform was one of the first drugs to be used as an anesthetic. The first operation using chloroform as an anesthetic was performed. Okay, students, here is which medications to take, which medicines you have to use, then you have to follow according to the guidance of the doctor. See, if you face lot of the problems, that problems will be effect on your body. Day of surgery. Today, if you have operation or surgery, no need to worry. You have to go happily. See here how the old man is going with the happiness. Why? Because anesthesia is available at the operation time. He may not no need to get painful. Why? Because the pain may not to act on your body. So that's why, students, sometimes to treat a defective organ in the body, it is necessary to cut open the body and operate on the organ. This known as a surgery. First of all, going to doing surgery, they will see your weight and your BP level and your heart pressures. See, prescribed the medications over the counter medicines. They will take some test before doing the operation. Why? Because at the operation time or at the surgery time, if any situations will be happen, they may not face lot of the problems. That's why before that they are taking some of things. Anesthesia consent form also they will give and you have to feel. If you agree as well as your family members may agree, at the time they can do surgery or operation. Why? Because sometimes surgery will be success or it will be fail also. If surgery will be fail, it is very short thing. Why? Because the person may lose his life. He may passed away. So the situation is there entirely different. Of course, if it will be success, then his family members are happy, as well as that patient also will get good health and he may live. But before that, according that their formula, according their instructions or institution or that hospitals rules and regulations, they will fall. Anyway, students, when we have lot of the health problems or body problems, it is good to take surgery or operation. Unnecessarily don't take operations or surgeries. Why? Because after the getting surgery, you should not carry heavy loads. Always you have to take rest. You have to give rest to your body. You have to reduce your hard work. That is the main thing, students. If you take care of your life, then you will live longer days. If you will not take about your body, then your body will be damaged. You may face lot of the diseases, problems. Through that, you lose your life also. If have no money, you have to go to government hospital, take surgery. Why? Because nowadays Arogyasri is available na. The government only is paying for your surgery or operation some fees. But if you will not take care of your life, you will lose your life. That's why you must have to take immediately treatment, student. Huh? Why? Because nowadays all machines are available. See here, that old man, okay, happily he came to take surgery, and the operation is successful, so he is leaving. You also do like that. Okay, if you have money problems, immediately you call 108. The ambulance will come, immediately will help you. Okay, whether you have fever or cold or any lot of the problems, if will be there, they will do test nowadays. Okay, if anyone will get fever or cold or something na, immediately they will say corona na, don't worry. That fever and cold will come, but corona virus is there or not, after the testing you will know. You no need to worry about that, students. See, students, here you have to take care of your life. But somebody are unexpectedly they are, okay, getting their body problems. Somebody has, okay, smoking habit and drinking habit, so they are getting automatically cancers. Why? Because they are getting their own, okay, diseases by their self only. No need to do like that, students. You have to do should care of your body. Okay, before that, uh, uh, getting some precautions. You see here stating antibiotics. See, antibiotics, especially you may observe here, okay, bacteria or germs which spread several diseases such as tuberculosis, cholera, and typhoid. In 1928, okay, Alexander Fleming discovered a drug called penicillin, which could prevent the growth of bacteria. He used the drug to cure many types of bacterial infections. Later, many other such drugs were discovered. They are called antibiotics. The discovery of antibiotics was an important milestone in the development of medicine. Okay, that's why, students, you must have to do according the germs and, okay, several diseases which will be there in your body. Okay, antibiotic, okay, is available. You have to take yourself at home only. You can use antibiotic things which are there available yourself, you may get properly. Okay, many medicines are nowadays are available, so you can get yourself. Okay, somebody are not getting problems, so many people are losing their life. See, many bacteria germs are there which are spreading from one person to another person. If suppose if you touch any others on their body, maybe germs are there or any bacteria virus is there, so it will come to on your body easily. Nowadays how is the corona is spreading now, as well as the same another, okay, infections also will be spread. So you must have to take yourself antibiotics, then it will be cured your body diseases. See, one person is getting a lot of things. Now we are see here Penicillium notum. Okay, Penicillium colony area of how the science is according that saying everything you may know, student. So they are finding several antibiotic medicines which may helpful to every human being, student. you have to take that all things. Otherwise, okay, you have to prepare yourself at home also. Okay, Ayurveda medicines are available now. Yes, not only that. Okay, see YouTube, type how to prepare antibiotic medicines for reducing cough or reducing cold or how to reducing my body pains, etc. You can do some. They will give guidance. So every day, what your mother, your home cooker is cooking, use more. Okay, okay, turmeric, isn't it or not? Yes, that is good. Okay, morning time, no need to use brace. Take this Margot tree is there na? That stick you have to use for your teeth. Germs will pass away, run away, it will be died. So your body will be active. Every day morning also do exercise also properly, student. That also good for your health. That is yourself, you are taking care of your body conditions, you are keeping well, so germs may not active upon your body. Why? Because you are taking precautions. Nowadays you are using sanitizers now on your hands. That also good habit, student. Use properly, always sanitizer, wear mask wherever you are going to outside. That is the first aid you are taking yourself. Otherwise it is passing from one person to another person. Whatever diseases he has, that all also he will face. See, like this different germs or bacteria are there which may spread on your body. Some are very active, some are very inactive. If you use one time medicine, inactive germs will be died. If you not use properly, active germs may affect on your body, so you will lose your life. Do you want to lose your life? You want to live more days? So if you want to live more days, you must have to take care of your body and consult the doctor and get good better treatment. Next heading, see here. Vaccination. What is the vaccination? Listen carefully. Medicines such as antibiotic cure disease, but vaccination prevent disease from occurring. If a person is vaccinated against a disease, her or his body develop the ability to fight the germs that cause the disease. Vaccines which act against several diseases such as tuberculosis, cholera and tetanus are available today. Like this, see students, vaccinations. The first vaccination to be discovered by against the dreaded disease, smallpox. This disease was a major cause of death in the 18th century. An English doctor, Edward Jenner, observed the people who had a mild disease called cowpox did not suffer from smallpox. If you have mind diseases, you have to consult immediately. You will get good treatment. So he injected cowpox germs into the body of a younger body in 1796. You may observe, student. A few weeks later, he injected him with smallpox germs. The body did not get smallpox. Students, everyone have to should take care of your life. You may live long days. Otherwise, you will not live long days. Why? Because if you will not take care of your body, you may lose your life. So if any accident will happen, you have to take surgery. Okay, they will do surgery very well properly. They give anesthesias. At the time you not get any painful also. Okay, before the getting any diseases, you must have to use antibiotics. Okay, next, vaccination also which are there, which are most important to your body. Okay, bye student.